In this video, I'll show you how to submit the Payoneer Receiving Account questionnaire step by step. First, sign in to your Payoneer account on the website. Once you're on the dashboard, go to Get Paid, then click Receiving Accounts. If this is your first time requesting receiving accounts, Payoneer will ask you to complete a receiving account questionnaire before you can use this feature. Next, click Request Accounts or Start Questionnaire. Payoneer will ask several questions about your business activity, such as the type of services you provide, how you plan to receive payments, the type of clients you work with, and the platforms you use. Answer these questions honestly and make sure the information matches how you actually plan to use your Payoneer account. After filling out all the required fields, review your answers carefully. When everything looks correct, click Submit. Payoneer will review your questionnaire, and in many cases your receiving accounts are approved automatically, although sometimes they may ask for additional details. If Payoneer needs documents later, go to Settings, then Verification Center, and upload the requested files there. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.